Hey everybody, Erik Kuna here with a new class for kelby1.com about illuminating light painting. We're going to go all into what you need to know to really master this different type of light painting where we're using studio light out in the field. So we're using tripods, we're putting our lights on light stands, we're putting them in different environments, and we're doing all that like we have here so we can get a shot like this. We're going to go through 1 light setups, 2 light setups, 3 light setups, a bunch of light setups. We'll be able to light complex scenes, simple scenes like you see behind me, with say the moon right behind it. So we'll have all those different elements in the class. From the beginning all the way through what you need to know, you're going to master how to use light painting as a tool to tell that story with light at night. So come join me and the moon in my new class on kelby1.com.